Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we got some new parts in for the 78 C10, and picked up the taillight lenses because I'm missing all this stuff. Now, one of these came with the outer shield plate that actually goes here for the bulbs sockets that screw into here, there, and there, and that is that part number. You can pause it and get that. Then there's this one. It's just the lens that was supposed to have came with that, I thought, but didn't. And if you're wanting just that, here's the part number for that one. Alright, so simple, very simple. Screwdriver, Phillips. I mean, this is a piece of cake. This one here, yeah, I'm just going to throw the lens on. I'm going to clean it and throw the lens on. I should have got both, but I mean, it's okay. And I've already replaced the bulbs, so they're all new. I ain't got to worry about doing all that. If you hadn't, I'd go ahead and do it. This one still has a chrome ring on it, but the chrome ring was like $5 more, and I wanted the chrome rings, but I had to pay extra shipping fees, and there was no telling when it was going to get here, so I just went ahead and these are from O'Reilly's. These were 15 each, I think is what it was. Yeah, 15 each. So yeah, I mean, this is like a piece of cake here. 4 Phillips screws and it takes it out. Now, when I got this truck, as you know before, I didn't have any taillight lenses. So I went to the junkyard and got some. I thought I would get the other side, but I never did. And then I found out the parts stores actually can get these. And I know some of you are going to question, why didn't I not go through LMC Truck or something else? Well, they're expensive, and I didn't want to go through there. I wanted to find it locally, so I didn't have to worry about paying shipping and all that bull crap. So here's the other lens from another truck. This is from 73 to 79. These are the same. Actually, all the way up to the 80s, they're the same. Then you got 4 inner screws that actually hold this thing on that you got to take out. Simple. Nothing's made this easy anymore. 4 screws and you can get to a bulb. I mean, come on. Easy. Oh. With the other screw. It's pretty much just lefty-loosey and they come right out. I mean, you know, big difference there. I mean, I technically didn't have to have this inner piece, but it's nicer, newer, cleaner. Made in Taiwan. Freaking Chinese junk. This is 85 model. I don't know why it says that, but alright. That one's not screwing in. There it goes. Chinese junk, they ain't made right. It's usually the way it goes. keep dropping the screws. And I can tell there's a big difference between this knockoff stuff compared to something that is original. It's just, I don't know, the weight of it and everything's the same, but the holes are better made, like the cutouts and stuff. This is cheap, just junk. I'm telling you, nothing's the same nowadays, but it'll work. Bam! Check that out. I mean, that's so much night and day there. There ain't no way that I could buff this and make it look like that. Wow. Now, part of me is killer because all this rust right here, all this has got to come back out. You know, all the inside's got to be sanded down and cleaned. But for now, these are going on because I need taillight lenses. They'll work. Okay, so now for this side, I don't have any screws for it, so I went to my parts stash, found some brand new screws that are black. They will actually look really good with the new taillight lenses, and I'm going to throw them in. They're the same size and length fillet head screws. Yep, that'll work. Actually looks a lot better with the black-headed screws. The other ones are all rusty. Need to put I got some more. I need to put some in the other side, make it look better. Perfect. Alright, there you have it. Gosh dang, man, that looks so good. I waxed the front of the truck. I haven't done the bed part yet, but I mean, it's already shiny from where I washed it. So once I wax the bed, clean up his tailgate a little bit, those will really, really shine. I gotta throw the bumper back on it. Gotta get some bolts for that. So it's in the bed right here. Gotta paint that guy, get some bolts for it, and mount that back on the back of it. So we'll have a bumper. Here's that side. I believe it's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And if you like this content, like it, share, and subscribe. Make sure you have the notification bell on so every time I upload, you get notified. There's a lot of you out there that are watching or not subscribed, or you don't have the notification bell on, or some of you have heard that you're getting unsubscribed somehow, or you're just not even watching. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but just make sure that go and check, because sometimes it's something that YouTube's done. Thanks for watching, guys. Have any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. Try my best to get to them whenever I can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. There'll be more on this C10 build coming up soon.